This is Miss Lalana, and I am going to help you with today's math practice. So make sure that you write your name on your sheet and go ahead and write the date. I am going to write the date. Today is Monday, February 29. So I'll put the date here. February 29, 2016. Okay, so let's get started. So let's look at number 1. So for number 1, we have 864 minus 198. So when we subtract, where do we start? On the 1 side. So we do 4 take away 8. Let me see 4. Can you take away 8 from that? Oh no. So what does 4 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Okay, so 4 goes next door. Number 6, can I borrow? And 6 says, okay. So since 4 is regrouping from 6 and borrowing from 6, 6 becomes a 5, and the 4 becomes a 14. So now we have 14 take away 8. Now you don't have 14 fingers, so start with 8, put 8 in your mind, 8, and let's count to 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much is that? 6, okay? So 14 take away 8 is 6. And if you know your fat family, you know 6 plus 8 is what? 14. All right, let's look at the tens place. We have 5 minus 9. Let me see 5. Can you take 9 away? Oh, no. So what does that 5 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Which one? In the hundreds place. So 5 looks at the 8. Can I borrow? And 8 says, okay. So now 8 becomes a 7, and the 5 becomes a what? 15. So you can write the 15, or you could put the 1 in front of the 5. That's fine too. So now, do you have 15 fingers? No. So let's count up from 9. So put 9 in your mind, 9 in your mind, 9. Count to what? 15. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much is that? 6. Oh, that's the same thing. And if you know your fat family, 6 plus 9 is what? 15. All right, 7 take away 1. Do 7. Let me see. 7. Oh, no, that's not 7. 7 take away 1 is 6. Or you can count up from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 ways we can do that. Oh, look, 666, 666. So that number is 666. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, number 2, we have, say the numbers with me, okay? 7,741 plus 5,671. So now we have to add that, okay? So let's say that again. 7,741 plus 5,671. Now to add them together, there's something we have to do first. What's wrong with this problem? You can't add like that. It's horizontal. So we need to line up the numbers, which way? Up and down, and we call that vertically, okay? We have to make it vertical, just like this one, because we can't add sideways like that, okay? So I am going to write it down right here. You can put it down here, or you can put it on the side, okay? So I need to see your work, okay? So I'll put it down here, 7,741, and line them up, okay? Plus the 5,000 goes under the 7,000. The 600 under that 7, then 71. So see how they are lined up nice and neat. So make sure your numbers are straight and not all sideways, okay? So we do 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 7, what's that? 11. So write the 1, and then we put the 1 up here. And then we add this row, not row, column. 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 6 is 14. Or you could do 1 and 6 right here, and 1 and 6 makes 7, and then that way you have 7, 7, and then that's 14 too. So whichever way, as long as you get it right, okay? So I'll put the 4 right here and put the 1 up there in the thousands. Then we do 1 plus 7 again is 8. And then 8 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to write 13. Now, or I could do 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 6 plus 7 is 13. Now, I am missing a symbol for my answer. What symbol is that? The comma. And where does the comma go? Right here. And the way I remember, I count 3 spaces from the back. Look, 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And you know it's between the thousands and the hundreds. See? 1,000. 13,000. So this number is 13,412. All right. Awesome. Good job. So you can leave it there. You can write it there. That's fine. You can leave it like this. So I'm going to stop at 1 and 2. Check for the next video for part 3 and 4. Well, for number 3 and 4. Okay?